What you are about to see is not just a mandala, it's a visual delight, believe me. Find the midpoint and make circles at a distance of around 1 centimeter each. So for making dots, either you can purchase a set of dotting tools, or you can use the things which are available at home, like toothpick, earbuds, pencils, pen, and all those things with which you can make dots. Anything which you feel comfortable. You can either take a design reference or make consecutive circles with your own imagination. You can make some nice design, or you can take a reference from Pinterest or any other website, Pixabay, Pinterest. I think they're filled with designs, so you can take that help. As you keep making the design circle by circle, and as your mandala grows, it really turns out beautiful. Even if your designs are not that symmetrical, but you continue doing it, and your circles and your designs will turn out to be really amazing. Believe me. Since all my watercolors got dried up because I didn't use them for a very long time, and because of that my designs are not coming that well. So I'll purchase a set of new watercolors. My same video which I just uploaded yesterday, when I was just viewing my video, I saw certain parts were not visible. The part which is now clear was not clear earlier. So I had to make the video again because it was not clear. So I have made a video again. One can also use mirrors. It really enhances the look of a mandala, and then you can sell them during Diwali times or any other time. See, my design is looking very nice, I think.